I just pulled up to my man Jose's shop. Y'all remember the red Cadillac that had the scratch mark on it? Show y'all what we got here. Oh yeah. Looking brand new. My boy get it done. Quickie time too. Y'all don't see no scratch there. I'm gonna put the scratch picture in the video so y'all can see it too. My boy did his thing. Go see what these guys got going on in here. Got it running too? Damn. Y'all remember how this joint looked last time y'all seen it. My boy don't play around, man. We do this on Mook and the V. Yes, sir. Appreciate you, bro. What's going on, man? I'll probably be bringing it through. I don't know when you can do it, but I'm gonna bring him through and let you look at it. He said a fucking a car with a truck with a hitch bagged up and it went into his bumper, and it was a hit and run though. He wasn't there, and then they pulled it off and it ripped it like half his bumper off. Yeah, because it like went through it and then just yanked that shit off. So yeah, it's like a blue Mustang. I'm gonna bring it through probably sometime.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
Yeah, this week or so. Yeah, we already looked at it. I look good, bro. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you, man. Real talk. Yes, sir, man. My boy Jose over here, man. Come rock with him, man. Do we got a sign? Bro, don't even got a sign out of her. But yeah, man, come rock with my man. You see what he do, man. He performing magic out here. Look how dirty. Bro, I'm going to the car wash right now. Look at, you can't even see my license. That's nuts. When I do my backup camera, you can't even see out of it because it's so dirty. I'm Mook and the V still look good though. Hey, y'all heard about that YouTuber Mook and the V? Yes, sir. Car look good though. Running. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get y'all a little intimate. I'm gonna get a little intimate with this. Get a little intimate with this. What y'all talking about, man? Get in here. What y'all think, man? 2014 CTS candy red paint. Everything you need in the fullest. I don't know if it's a fullest size sedan, but I was just trying to make it sound crazy, like a commercial or something. But y'all see how I'm coming though, man. We got cars around here. Yes, sir. But no, let me go jump back into Mamba. That joint cold though, man. Nice little wood. Nice little whip. That 2.0 on that turbo. You know what I'm saying? Got a little giddy up on there. Dual exhaust. Everything is automatic. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. This joint did your thing on that. Look better than when we brought it. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Man, right there, y'all. So y'all gonna come talk to my man Jose. You gotta get you a sign out here, bro. Gotta get a wash on it, man. It's cold out here. I'm not washing it by hand. I'm not doing it. Try to get some of this salt on it, man. Off of it. Nice little undercarriage wash. V and yes, sir. Why y'all be out